If you're trying to watch a super satisfying cleaning video, look no further. I got you. Hello, quarantined friends and family and subscribers and maybe non-subscribers. Welcome. Can you hear the wind? I hope not, because it's howling out there. I have been trying to get my together for COVID-19, using the free time to make my life better. But we are now March 31st, 2 weeks into quarantine, maybe 3, I can't remember. Honestly, I'm losing track of time. But I still have not cleaned my room yet. I have a lot to do, and I also really want to rearrange my room because it's been in the same position for a super long time. And because I'm an Aries and it's Aries season and we like new things, we like to change things up. So during this quarantine, I've been spending most of my time going on nature walks, sleeping, playing The Sims. I'm now at 60 hours on The Sims, which is pretty nuts, if you ask me. I also have classes. I'm not really doing as well as I could be, which is why I'm trying to fix it up now. I've got this free time, so I want to make my space enjoyable so that I can actually do stuff in here. Yeah, so let's clean my room and then rearrange my room and make it cute. Nico, hi baby. So naturally, before I start, I need to give you a quick little tour of my messy room because I really want to show you guys my gross lifestyle. I really want you all to see the things on my floor. So, quick overview of my messy room. This is only about half of what it was yesterday. This is clean compared to yesterday. Slightly embarrassing. Actually, it's super embarrassing, but I'm not even embarrassed about it because mental health isn't always the best. So, don't be ashamed, folks. It happens. So this is my outfit of the day. So cute, I know. It's just, I'm stylish queen. So this top was thrifted. Dalhousie University, I don't go there. For pants, I'm wearing my friend Maddie's sweatpants. They're very cozy and she lent them to me because her dog peed on me. He's cute though, so it doesn't matter. And then on my feet, I'm wearing Crocs because Crocs are my cleaning shoes. I don't like stepping on dust. So yeah, those are my cleaning shoes. So I am going to start by dumping my big hamper of clean clothes onto my bed and putting those away so that I have room to put my dirty clothes in the hamper and get it out of the way. This lamp has been broken for quite a while now, but I don't want to get rid of it, so I'm going to try to duct tape it back together and see what I can do. Well, doesn't work at all. Just going to leave her here for now.
Shuffling Songs by Taylor Swift.
Hey, buddy. What are you up to? Don't want to answer? Fine. Good morning. It is 4:11 p.m. and I just napped for 3 hours. I gave up yesterday, not proud of it. I have a few too many mental breakdowns when I try to clean. I am going to try to wake up, make myself look a little bit better because it makes me feel better and then makes me do more. Basically, where I left off is I was putting the duvet cover onto my duvet and then I gave up. And so I'm either gonna try putting that back on or I'm going to just not do it. Time to put on my favorite lip gloss, the Too Faced Lip Injection Ultimate Lip Plumper. It definitely feels like I'm having an allergic reaction when I wear this, but it does wonders. Makeup is done, hair is done, outfit is done. I'm just wearing a new t-shirt because I didn't want to wear the same thing as yesterday. I was going to, but then I decided not to. Show you what I have to do today. So this is the state of my room now. Didn't really get that far, but we will. I mostly have to make the bed, figure out this floor situation, and maybe rearrange my room, but I don't really want to take everything off the walls and move that, so might not.
You can't wait on other people to be
There are
what you
coffee
are.
stains all over this
You
blanket.
can't wait on their affirmation. You can't wait on their approval. You can't wait on their support. Sometimes you just got to run and look behind you and say, everybody who wants to run, run, but I can't stop running because you're not running with me. Listen to me, hear me. You can't stop chasing your dream just because somebody in your life won't chase it with you. You can't stop believing in yourself just because somebody in your life won't believe in you. You can't stop chasing the dreams of your life just because when you know when you do it, you're going to have to do it all by yourself.
Okay, so I'm done cleaning now and it's not perfect, but that's just the way that I clean. I can't really go to perfection because it stresses me out too much. So I'm gonna show you my like realistic, cleanest possible version of my room, at least for now, and give you a little room tour. I don't think I'm gonna rearrange it today because I realized that what I actually wanted was a clean room, not a different room. So I'm actually enjoying this the way it is, and I want to show it to you, and if I ever do end up rearranging it, let me know if you'd want to see that down in the comments. And yeah, let's just show you my room. So this is the door that I enter my room with, or in, whatever, I don't know, English language, what? Beside the door, I have my name tag from the YouTube event I went to with Brianna and Haley, and then on the side here, I have 2 posters from Records, and then this is an illustration of Billie Eilish that my friend Dylan did, and you should check him out because he makes really cool art. Down here I have my little record station, so my record player's here, my records are there, I have a new record stand that I have not used yet, and a ukulele. And the ukulele was only like $40, so if you're looking for a new instrument to try, it's super easy to learn and it's also really cheap to learn and have a ukulele because it was literally only $40. So yeah, I would definitely recommend if you want to learn a new instrument, the ukulele is a great place to start. Beside that, I have my bedside table, and here I have my essential oils diffuser that I got in the video where I took Brianna's credit card, so that was great and it works amazing. I love it so much. The oil that I'm using is Sri Lankan cinnamon. Obviously we have my bed, and this tapestry I got from Amazon. It is gorgeous, like it's literally my favorite tapestry ever, and I love the colors in it. Like it's just everything I would want for my room, so I'm really happy that I have this. This I'm pretty sure I've shown before many times, but it was a tote bag that I got from VidCon and I just framed it, and I'm a Canon queen, so I had to do it. This is my window. So at my windowsill, I have this cute shell and it has some rocks in it. I also have this little baby Buddha, which was in my last video as well. This little elephant tray is actually from the dollar store and I just put my small jewelry in it. And I also have this for my fairy lights, which I don't have on currently, and some of them are falling off, so I'm not gonna put them on. In this corner, we have the same wall hanging that I had in the last apartment. And over here, we have a picture of Liam and I, another shell that I'm pretty sure I got this in Cuba on the beach. I have this incense with an incense holder, a couple jewelry boxes, and crystals. I also have this Himalayan salt lamp, which I love. I should turn that on. Yes, this is like my favorite corner of my room. Like, this is so cute. And up on the wall, I have these little nature prints, and I actually got them off Amazon. I can't remember if I've shown these on my channel or not, but this is the box. You can find them on Amazon, and it comes with so many prints of different botanicals, so that was really cute. It was like 25 bucks, I believe. They work for postcards, and I just thought they looked really cute on my wall, so yeah. And here is a jewelry box. I just keep my chunkier jewelry in there. This is my desk. For some reason, the knob came off of this, so I've just been pulling it by the little nail. On top of my desk, this never looks like this, so this is actually pretty clean. I have my makeup brushes in here, essential oils, and like brushes that don't fit in there, makeup remover, my piercing cleaner, skincare, dry shampoo, makeup removing wipes, which I normally get the Costco ones, but I did not want to go to Costco during this, so this is also my lamp for doing my makeup, my sun tapestry, which I love so much. It's adorable, and it is based off the Sun tarot card, and you know, I love my tarot cards, so I had to have one in my room. And before I move this light, actually, this is my YouTube light. So I have two of these, but I've just been using one for the last like year, and it is this light by the brand Canadian Studio, and I really like this light. It works really well, especially when I use both of them, but I just haven't set up the second one in this apartment. Move it back so you can see the rest of the room. So this is like the messy corner that I'm just not going to address. Oh, I forgot to mention, this chair is ripped to shreds, so I literally just put one of my long sleeve tops on top and then like tied the arms. It looks pretty cute, but you can see the hole in the front, so I might sew this shut. And then of course my makeup drawers. These are my favorite. They are wicker and just the cutest. They also match my dresser over here. And I have my piggy bank, this plant that my cat ate, a couple fake plants in the back, little candle and body sprays, and of course my wall decorations. And over here is the workout plan that I never finished, even though I said you can do it, I didn't do it. And then we are back to my door. And yeah, I think my room looks super cute. This is it from afar, but this lamp has gotta go. And that is all for this week's video, and I have lots of quarantine video ideas because, you know, you have to make the best of the situation, and I happen to have a lot of free time now. But I am still in school, so when I'm not doing schoolwork, I am gonna try to get as many videos done as possible. And if you have any suggestions, let me know. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!